Grant County is a special place in Washington. With thousands of acres of incredible farmland, it's feeding not only our state, but people across the nation and even in other countries. Today, Tomas and I are visiting Cave B Estate Winery. I'm talking with Grant County Commissioners Cindy Carter, Kevin Burgess, and Rob Jones about what makes this county such a special place to be.
Grant County begins at Grand Coulee Dam, runs south all the way down to the Wanapum Priest Rapids Dam. It's huge. We had a commissioner represent District 1 for him to drive from his home in North Grant County to Mattawa for a meeting. Took him 2 hours.
That's the county.
Yeah.
Not the state.
No, that's the county.
We have a lot of water skiing, boating, fishing, recreation, golf. It is the outdoor playground.
There's so much fishing, camping. There's things going on all the time in Grant County.
You're surrounded in agriculture, so if you are looking to be in farming or labor, it's all there. If you want to be in tech, it's right here. If you want to be in trades, mechanical, electrical, engineering, it's right there. The opportunity is unlimited.
While I chatted in the shade, Tomas was out in Cave B's vineyard with President of Marketing and Events, Carrie Arredondo.
Back in 1979, my parents bought about 400 acres of sagebrush, rocks, and 80 acres of alfalfa, knowing that they wanted to plant wine grapes. And at that time, no one was really doing it in this area. I think a lot of people thought we were crazy. Our oldest vines are 45 years of age this year. We grow 20 different varieties and we make 32 wines.
32?
Yeah.
That is amazing.
Yep.
Well, you know, you can't visit a winery without tasting a little wine. And Cave B has a special place to experience the fruits of their labor.
This is our tasting room, Cave. We are going to start with our sparkling wine here. There's a lot of confusion, I think, from a lot of our guests. People do have a champagne. Well, actually, you can't call a sparkling wine champagne unless it comes from the Champagne region in France. In America, we just call it sparkling wine.
That is, just like the bottle says, pink and bubbly.
That's right. Oh, that's refreshing.
That is. It's just like this
In the
room.
summertime especially, it flies out the door.
And I tell you the truth, I am not a big sparkling wine person.
But maybe now you are.
This, I am.
It just takes one good one to turn it.
Right?
There you go.
Our next one is our 2023 Chenin Blanc. This one has a lot of tropical notes.
This is really nice and light.
You sound surprised.
I am.
It's not as dry as I expected it to be.
Wow, this is lovely.
Okay, so do you prefer this one or the sparkling?
Why do I have to choose?
I'm just curious.
I'm an and.
You're an and.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
You need some more in there.
All right. I will not fight you.